What's going on, YouTube? So, as you guys know, I already got the 30 subscribers. And I already got 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers a long time ago, like in July or June. And I almost tripped. And they finally send in the 10 subscribers reward. But they send in this one first, so hold on. When was July? December, November. Five months ago, I got 10 subscribers, and they haven't sent it in. And then right when I got 30 subscribers, 4 subscribers later, I got this. And that was like in 3 weeks. So let's just open this play button. Okay. So I got it open right now. Okay, here it is. The play button. Is it this, or is it like this? Or is it wrapped? I see something. I see something. There's no play button. No, I'm just kidding. It's right here. I actually found it. 10 subs. Josiah WWE _. So that's gonna be it for this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Elf on a Shelf video. Peace out. Something. This is fake, by the way. I also made it by myself. This is also fake, if you guys don't know that. It's in an ugly handwriting. Of course it's mine. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Stay in school.